Welcome to another video. In this one I show you how I fixed finally the noise on my belt, on the accessory belt on my Volkswagen Polo 9N. So you know, if I will put the link in the description, the video when the noise was really loud. And I'm checking now if this idler pulley is moving in any way. It doesn't seem to be moving. But before I used WD-40 on it and the noise went away, so I'm gonna try again. I'll start the car and let you listen to the noise. I sprayed a bit of WD-40, but the noise is still there. After some time it went away, and also I sprayed while the engine was not running, and I think that was the reason. You should spray when the engine is off. And now the noise is gone completely. The idea here is that there is a bearing inside the idler pulley in the middle, and this might make water stay away from the bearing. You might have to change the idler pulley. Remove the tension from the belt, but for now WD-40 fixes it. It's a temporary fix, so it's pretty nice. It could be also because some WD-40 got on the belt, and sometimes the belt might make a bit of noise, and one fix would be to spray a little on the back of the belt on this area. But the noise stayed when I sprayed before, and it's really the idler pulley that's the problem, the bearing inside it. It's a cheap part, so it's really not a big deal to fix it. The difficult thing is to remove the tension on the belt, because it's a bit difficult, and I have the socket for it, but still I wouldn't want to do that. And yeah, hopefully this helped you. Let me know in the comment section below if you used WD-40 on your idler pulley and how long it lasted. For me it was 1 year already, hopefully another year until I have to change it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share, and I will see you next time. Bye.